Congratulations on completing your onboarding and welcome to the team with Sanctuary Recruitment. This video will take you through everything that you need to know about working with the Metro Temp team. Our office hours are Monday to Friday, 8:30am to 5:30pm. For anything urgent, you can call our after hours line Monday to Sunday from 4:30am to 11:30pm. Please only call after hours if you need to cancel a shift or have an important inquiry about a shift you are booked into within the next 24 hours. We are closed every day from 11:30pm to 4:30am, so please do not call during this time. If you need to cancel a shift, you must call the office on 02 8459 8101. We do not accept cancellations via text or email. By opening this email and watching this video, you acknowledge that you have read and agreed to this. You are required to provide Sanctuary Recruitment with a minimum of 12 hours notice to allow us to find a replacement for your shift. In times of extreme emergency or illness, you must give us a minimum of 4 hours notice before the commencement of your shift if you need to cancel. If you are running late to your shift, please call us to let us know on 02 8459 8101. If you don't give us enough notice or you have too many late cancellations, we will have to deactivate your deputy. By now you should have received an invitation to join Deputy. We've created a video on how to use it. Please see the link below. In your welcome pack there is a link of location codes. This is for New South Wales only. We will always try to accommodate your location preferences. However, we do expect you to travel a minimum of 1 hour for a shift. Please make sure you plan your way to work wherever possible to avoid lateness. If you claim a shift, we expect you to go. After you claim a shift, a consultant will contact you to confirm your shift. To make sure you're getting as many shifts as possible, we've created an availability form which you will need to complete weekly. This gets sent out every Friday and is linked in your welcome pack. Some important things to note: you will be booked in according to the availability that you submit in the form. Please make sure you update this form every time your availability changes. Please make sure your availability is accurate, as we will book you in on the days that you say you are available. Failure to attend a shift you have committed to will be put down as a no-show. If you have regular unavailability, please make sure you add this to the form so we don't book you on those days. Please let us know if you're going overseas. If we don't hear from you, if you don't make contact with us or submit any availability for 4 weeks and don't claim any shifts on Deputy, we'll assume you are no longer interested in casual work with us and we will make you inactive on Deputy. So please make sure you get in touch with us once you know you're going to be unavailable. It's extremely important that you do not cancel your shifts, as it impacts not only yourself but our clients and also the residents. Cancellations impact the level of care able to be provided to our residents. It stretches the workload of the other nurses who would be covering for you, meaning they can't give the quality of care that the residents deserve. If you are a night RN, this is even more important, as a lot of the time you are the only nurse on, and it causes other nurses to work long hours. Cancellations also negatively impact our and your relationship with the clients. Aged care is a very close-knit community, so cancelling may affect your ability to work at other facilities. We are able to reactivate your deputy, giving you aligned with the Sanctuary values, standards and availability requirements. Please make sure you clock in and out of every single shift on Deputy. If you do ever forget to clock in or out, please make sure you fill in a timesheet which is linked in your welcome pack. Please make sure you fill in your timesheet before 9am every Monday to be processed. If you would like a paper timesheet, which is to be signed by a manager or the RN in charge, please ask for a copy and we will email it to you. Please email these timesheets every Monday to timesheets@sanctuaryrecruitment.com. Pay is processed weekly by close of business every Friday. If you don't follow the timesheet instructions above, there may be a delay in your pay. So please make sure you read this document carefully. Your uniform and name badge will be posted to you on the address indicated on your application form. You can still pick up shifts while you're waiting for your uniform to arrive. Please make sure you either wear plain scrubs with no branding on it, or a white polo shirt or white t-shirt with no brands or labeling on it, and black or navy pants. Please make sure you bring photo ID which states your full name on it. Please make sure you wear flat, enclosed shoes, ideally black. Sanctuary Recruitment is committed to ensuring our team of nurses has access to ongoing educational support. You will receive an email from hr@sanctuaryrecruitment.com when your yearly training is due. LMS is our learning management system. It is free and ongoing service provided by Sanctuary for the benefit of upskilling and refreshing your knowledge. LMS courses are role specific and include things like your med refresher, manual handling, infection control, amongst many other courses. LMS is always free for our Sanctuary nurses, ensuring you can deliver the best quality care, and is applicable to all aspects of the nursing industry. You signed your letter of engagement as part of your online training. A copy of this was emailed to you when you completed it. Please refer to this for all information about your employment. Through being a member of Sanctuary Recruitment, you are eligible for several perks and discounts. The first one is the Blue Light Card. Upon signing up, you will receive a 2-year Blue Light Card membership. This entitles you to exclusive offers and discounts with over 250 retailers across Australia. You are eligible for freebies and additional savings on First Responders Day, which occurs yearly. Instructions on how to sign up have been emailed to you. Your health and wellbeing is important to us, and we believe that you should be rewarded for all the hard work that you do. Endota has a range of treatments and products to relax, recharge and restore your mind and body. Products include women's health, face and body skincare, makeup, self-tanning. Treatments include facials, massages, beauty services and spa packages, and there's lots more. Endota Retreat is a yearly subscription membership that gives you access to a wellness hub, including recipes, courses and wellbeing practices, and lots more. Sanctuary members can receive discounts on gift cards, online products and Endota Retreat memberships through voucher codes exclusive to Sanctuary. To be eligible for these discounts, please speak to your consultant for more information. Terms apply. We encourage you to follow all of our socials, Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. We have a members only Facebook group called the Sanctuary Recruitment Hub. This is your one-stop shop for all things aged care. The Sanctuary Recruitment Hub gives you access to the latest jobs, aged care industry news, updates, giveaways and more.